Want to talk about design systems and how design systems can help streamline a web project process. This is a standard waterfall chart, and it shows a project we're working on right now. It's a really short term project. It's a 3-week deadline. We're getting a campaign site up for a client. The deadline's fixed. The deadline can't move. We follow a fairly traditional process: discovery, design, development. It means that in the 3-week period, the client doesn't get access to the website to start putting content in right up until the end, because we have to go through the whole discovery, design, and development process first. So that gives them 3 days to put content into the site. Now, bearing in mind they're running this campaign, there's going to be a lot of eyes on the site. If you're part of that marketing team, that's a pretty stressful 3 days to go through. We've actually implemented it using our design system, and it's something we're going to be talking about a lot over the next few weeks. The design system allows us to completely throw that waterfall method away. Once we've done the discovery, we know what components we're going to be using. We know the pages we have on the site. We can actually set up the initial administration system and give the clients access to start adding content almost on day 4 of the project. So as soon as we've got the workshops out the way and we know the structure, we can set up an admin, we can start training. That gives about 13 days worth of time then to add the content. From a client's perspective, it's so much more relaxed. They're reassured by the fact that they have the admin system already. They know how to use it. They're putting the content in. So they can then spend those 2 or 3 weeks ticking off the content that they're adding to the project, as opposed to having to cram it all into this 3 days, which would be a pretty bad experience for them. And it would get the job done, but it wouldn't be so good. So pre-designed system, content at the end, everything squashed into your deadline. With design system, content management nice and early, the ability to put the content in and get everything done in a nice, straightforward timeline.